Exercise 5.4, Problem 7, Discussion. Find the equation of the straight line which passes through the midpoint of the line segment joining 4, 2 and 3, 1 whose angle of inclination is 30 degrees. So what do they say in this problem? That is, there is a line which passes through the midpoint of these points. There are 2 points. There is a midpoint, we need to calculate the midpoint, and the required line passes through this midpoint and has an angle of inclination 30 degrees. Okay, we're asked to find the equation of the straight line. So what is given? There are 2 points, 4, 2 and 3, 1, and we need to find the midpoint of that, and the line passes through the midpoint of these 2 points and has an angle of inclination 30 degrees. What are we asked to calculate? Equation of the straight line. What is the formula? We have 1 point and we have a theta is 30 degrees, which means slope can be calculated, m equal to tan theta. So you have a slope and you have 1 point. So you have to use the slope point form. Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. As you can see, m is not known directly, m is not given directly. We need to calculate m using 30 degrees. That is m equal to tan theta is another formula which we need to use. Next, x1 and y1. We don't have that point. We need to calculate it. But what is that point? That point is a midpoint of these 2 points, right? If we have this is A and this is B, M is a midpoint of line AB. Okay. So what is the formula for that? That is M of xy equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So these are the 3 formulas which need to be used in this problem. So let's do the steps. Step 1. Substitute 4, 2 and 3, 1 in the midpoint formula and calculate the midpoint. Okay. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2. And using those values, calculate the midpoint. Now midpoint is done. Next, substitute theta equal to 30 degrees in m equal to tan theta and calculate the slope. Right. So now we have slope, we have 1 point. Substitute m, which is and the midpoint m is calculated in step 2, midpoint is calculated in step 1 in the equation y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1, right? And get the equation of the straight line. Got it? So it's quite easy only, it's not as difficult as we think. Okay, it's little tricky, but you can do it this way. So please pause the video here and try to do this problem on your own, and on completion please come back and check your working against our solution. The solution. Let the points be A, 4, 2, B, 3, 1 and M, x, y be the midpoint of AB. Okay, midpoint is given by x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. So substituting that in this formula, we get midpoint M equal to 4 plus 3 by 2, 2 plus 1 by 2. So 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 by 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 by 2. 7 by 2 and 3 by 2 are the 2 points. Slope is given by m equal to tan theta and theta is 30 degrees. So m equal to tan 30, that is equal to 1 by root 3. So now using the slope point form, y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1, where m is 1 by root 3 and x1 y1 is 7 by 2, 3 by 2. Substitute those values, you'll get y minus y1, that is 3 by 2, equal to m 1 by root 3 into x minus x1, that is 7 by 2. So this, when you simplify, you'll get this, you'll get 2y minus 3 by 2. Okay, so that's I'm writing the same equation here for continuity, right? So this will be 2y minus 3. When you take LCM, it will be 2y minus 3 on the left hand side, and the right hand side will keep it as it is. This 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. So then you cross multiply, you will get root 3 into 2y minus 3 equal to 2x minus 7, and that will be 2 root 3y and minus 3 root 3 will be equal to 2x minus 7. So transfer everything. So 2x, bring everything to this side. So 2x minus 2 root 3y minus 7. This is minus 3 root 3. When it goes to the other side, becomes plus 3 root 3 equal to 0. Now rewrite this equation as 2x minus 2 root 3y and put all the constants together in one bracket plus 3 root 3 minus 7 equal to 0 is the equation of the straight line. Okay. So I hope I made it clear. So all you need to do is calculate the midpoint, okay, using those points 4, 2 and 3, 1. Next, calculate the slope using m equal to tan theta and theta equal to 30 degrees. So once these two are known, substitute them in the equation slope point form and simplify to get the required equation. Okay, this is a required equation. Okay, so I hope I made it clear. If not, please review this video one more time. Thanks for watching this video.